Collision Drumsticks, but I'm here in downtown Louisville, Kentucky at the Bachfest. I'm the real Howard Yates, and we're going to play here shortly. And I'm going to be taking these sticks on stage, the 5B models, as you can clearly see. I hope you can hear me if you can't. Sorry! Collision Drumsticks, it's me, the real Howard Yates, here in Louisville, Kentucky in the United States, and I'm very happy to be part of your family, to have been endorsed with this company. You have provided me with an excellent tool, the 5B standard drumsticks. I'm very busy. I'm going to be playing in 4 different cover bands over the next 6 weeks, and these are the tools of the trade that I've been looking for. I've been playing all sorts of music, but I've practically my entire life. I mean, of course, I was in school bands, a concert and symphony, marching band, solo competitions, things like that, just like any other drummer who probably went through that in school. I also took private lessons, and this is something I've wanted to do my entire life. Just to talk about the stick, of course, the 5B, it feels so natural in my hands. It's just something like just picking it up and going. I don't have to worry about having some wax heating up in my hands and taking time for it to feel like it's part of me. It literally feels like that when you just pick them up and go. They're very durable, reliable, and when I say that, it's because the first pair that I've had, I got them and started using them on March 15th, and I've used them for nearly a dozen shows before I've had to retire them. I don't have sticks of any other company that have lasted nearly that long. So the durability to hold up for what I do for as long as I play for each show, that's impressive. One thing about the brand that really intrigued me is that you work for people, you're talking about like grassroots artists coming up from the ground up, you know. Not somebody who's got like 1 billion views on YouTube and has been a respected recording artist for 30 years and you're finally getting them to sign the deal. You're not doing anything like that. You're getting people who, of all over the planet, all ages, all different styles and experience levels. That is amazing because you see one of the family members as a kid, then you see another family member who's my dad's age. And it can be anybody. I mean, what company has branding tools, a course on how to brand yourself? Nobody does that I know of. Having the brand endorsement, the endorsement itself between us, you supporting the artist, likewise me supporting you, any level, style, experience, and the fact that you have branding opportunities and courses, you have subscriptions, memberships, all of these different things. It's just so inclusive. It feels like you're part of something that's very important. So it's not just a club or anything, you feel like your family. And I think Collision is ahead of everybody else in this game. So the next thing I want to show you are the sticks that I got on March 15th. I'm going to give you a couple of demonstrations on a practice pad here at home, and then I'm going to show you the stuff I've been doing live with my band, the Falls City Freeloaders. That's the primary cover band that I work with. I am the real Howard Yates. Thank you for listening.